This is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to set a song as a ringtone on your Android phone. So what you can do is just go over to the Google Play Store and go to search and type in something called Zedge, Z-E-D-G-E. And this is Zedge, and this is great for ringtones. So let's go to this one down here. Zedge Wallpapers Ringtones, and open this up. Now there's going to be a bunch of ads and stuff. You can just click out of them. You don't have to pay for anything. So go to the X. And then just search for your song. So we can go to Zedge and we can type something in like Tom Petty. And go to it. And then we can go to Ringtones. Right here. Going down to the track you want. And choose it. Go to this option down here and go to Set as Ringtone. You can also do this per contact. So you can set as ringtone. So it's been updated, so we can go to the top right now and just verify, go to settings. Going down to where it says sounds and vibrations. Here's my ringtone. Right here. So you can see it's set. American Girl. And you can see I have other ones saved on here as well. So very easy. You can add a custom one too if you have something from a different device. If you go to the add option, then you can just look through here. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. Did leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.